Stanpro Lighting Systems welcomes builders, contractors, architects, and other professionals to visit our headquarters. In addition to touring our research laboratories and manufacturing facilities, guests enjoy an immersive experience in our Interactive Solutions Center and Training Theater. From LEDs to CRI, you'll enjoy learning in this hands-on environment. The Lighting Solutions Center allows you to experience hundreds of light fixtures within the context of real-life applications. Lighting design principles and technologies fitting for each space are introduced in bilingual videos.
Using high CRI lamps and fixtures contribuera à rehausser les couleurs des aliments, du poisson.
The Training Theater and Lighting Solutions Center are your space to discover and create. Whether you're setting the right mood for a restaurant, featuring products in a specialty store, or making your storefront stand out, our specialists will show you how to illuminate your brand image. Visit us soon for a dynamic experience.
Stanpro, bringing designs to light.